When people think about environmental help, they usually picture one of two things. Either a document shows up, it gets handed over, and that's the end of it, or they worry it turns into some never-ending relationship that they didn't sign up for. The truth is, it can be either, and sometimes it's something in between. So in this video, we're going to talk through what actually happens after environmental work is done, and what done even means in different situations. Hey there, I'm Doug Ruhlin from RMA, your environmental experts. We help businesses through environmental requirements in a way that fits how they actually operate. And before we go too far, just know if you ever need help figuring out what environmental support should look like for your business, reach out to us here at RMA. All right, let's jump in. The first thing to understand is that not all environmental work ends the same way. In some cases, there's a very clear physical deliverable. You might receive a plan, a report, or a permit package. Sometimes there's literally a printed binder or book. Other times it's a finalized document set delivered electronically. Either way, it's something concrete you can point to and say, this is what we needed. In those situations, there's often a clean handoff. The document reflects how your site operates at that point in time and what the rules look like at that moment. If nothing changes, that really can be the end of the work. That's normal, and it's often exactly what people want. In other cases, the deliverable isn't a single document at all. It might be something like an environmental management system, a sustainability program, or a broader compliance framework. In those situations, the deliverable is the structure, the decision-making process, and the ongoing guidance that helps the program actually function. So when the work is more program-based, there usually isn't a hard line where someone hands you something and then disappears. The relationship continues, at least for a period of time. And then there's everything in between. Even when a project does end with a physical deliverable, businesses often come back later with questions. Maybe the facility changes. Maybe your reporting or training needs to happen annually. Equipment gets added, permits need to be modified, plans need to be updated. Or maybe you just want to sanity check something before making a change, or have a quick question you want to run by an expert. In those cases, how that follow-up support looks can vary quite a bit depending upon how a consultant operates. Some firms structure everything around long-term contracts. Others treat every follow-up as a brand new project. Good environmental consultants usually give their clients options. Sometimes that follow-up is covered under an annual agreement. Other times, it's as simple as time and expense help. A couple hours here and there to answer questions, make a small update, or support an inspection. There isn't a single right model. It depends upon what you want the relationship to look like after the project is done. What's important is that you're not boxed in. If a consultant won't answer reasonable questions after delivering the work, that's a problem. On the flip side, if a consultant tries to force you into a long-term relationship you don't want or don't need, that's also a problem. Flexibility matters. At RMA, this is how we think about it. Some clients want a clean handoff and to be done, and we're perfectly fine with that. Some want to call us occasionally when something comes up. Others want us more fully integrated as an extension of their team. We let clients decide what that looks like and we adjust accordingly. We don't assume ongoing work or push long-term agreements by default to lock you in. But we also won't disappear once a project is finished if you don't want us to. So here's the takeaway. After environmental work is done, sometimes the right answer is, that's it. Other times, the work naturally evolves. And sometimes the deliverable itself is ongoing support by design. A good consultant will explain those possibilities clearly, respect what you want the relationship to look like, and support you accordingly. And if you ever want help thinking through what makes sense for your business, reach out to us here at RMA. We're here to help on your terms.